Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the additional information tab on a single product in WooCommerce. This is a handy trick if you want to simplify your product pages and remove unnecessary tabs that might not be relevant to your customers. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account where your WooCommerce store is set up. This step is essential because you'll need full admin access to make changes to your product settings. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. You'll see several options listed there, but for now, focus on finding the one labeled Products. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, an expanded menu will appear showing you additional options related to your products. From this expanded list, click on All Products. This will take you to the main product management area where you can view and edit all the items you've listed in your WooCommerce store. Now you'll be presented with a full list of all the products currently available in your WooCommerce account. This is where you can manage everything from product descriptions to pricing and inventory. To remove the additional information tab from a specific product, the process is actually quite straightforward. Simply locate the product you want to edit and click on it. This will take you directly to the product overview page where you can modify various details and settings related to that particular item. Once you're in the product overview, scroll down until you reach the product data section. This section contains all the important details about your product, including shipping information, attributes, and more. Here's where the magic happens. Start by removing any shipping details that are currently filled in. Simply clear out those fields to ensure they don't contribute to the additional information tab appearing on your product page. Next, focus on removing the product attributes. Click on the Attributes tab within the product data section. You'll see a list of all the attributes currently assigned to this product. These could be things like size, color, weight, or any custom attributes you've added for each attribute listed. Click on the Remove button. This step is crucial because these attributes are what typically populate the additional information tab on the front end of your product page. By removing them, you're effectively eliminating the tab itself. Once you've cleared out all the necessary fields and removed all the attributes, scroll back up to the top of the page. Look for the Update button, which is usually located in the right-hand sidebar or at the top of the page. Click on it to save all the changes you've just made. This ensures that your product page no longer displays the additional information tab, giving you a cleaner and more streamlined look. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the additional information tab from your WooCommerce product page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.